Hi everyone, welcome to ITS workshop. So let me start my Python interpreter. And so we have been talking about string lately. There is another data type. We'll come to these points one by one also as we proceed into more detail. So there is one data type, a list data type here in Python. So list is nothing but collection of items in a squared bracket. So suppose I have collection of item 1 2 3 4 5. These are collection of numbers, so I created a list of these items. So it's nothing, it's very simple data structure. Suppose you are going to market, your mom asks you to purchase some items, so what do? You just create a list of those items. Yes, and the point with list is, so just having comma separated item, and syntactically how do you represent a list? You represent a list in a square bracket. Okay, and there is no requirement that you have to have all all data of one type. Suppose this is my list of numbers, so it's not necessary that you will be having a list of number. You can create a list of number mixed with string, then you can give boolean, your true or false. Yes, so there are a lot of data type you can mix all together and you can create list, but most of the time you'll be working with data type of data of one data type. Suppose you are working with number, you are working with only with string, list of string, list of boolean, like that. But there is no restriction, you can have multiple data type in your single list also. Yes, the other point about list is lists are indexed. So if I say my list of 0, so my list of 0 sorry, it represents this first item. Okay, so list are indexed means you can give all these position numbers. So this is the 0 position, first position, second position, third, fourth, fifth position, sixth position. Okay, and so on, you can proceed like that. So whatever number you are trying to access, suppose I need list of 5, so list of 5, so it starts from 0, so all this 5, so the sixth position element is list of 5 here, and which is nothing but Raj. And another important point about list, that list are indexed plus list are mutable. You can change a list item. So I can redefine list of my list of 5. I can declare this, no, I need another name, Rajesh should be replaced with Suraj. So you can do that and you can print your my list. Now you can see, so this is list of item where we just replaced item number 6th, item at the 6th position, which was Raj previously, and we replaced it with Suraj. It means list are mutable. We can change the list. So once you create the list, it's possible to change the list. Yes, then let us come to the point where I need to get a list of only 3 items out of this. So that's known as slicing. So you have a fruit, you create slice of your fruit, sliced mango, sliced banana, like that. Okay, so I have a full list, I need to do slicing, I need a sub list. Suppose I just need these starting 3 items. So what we call this as slicing. So my list of, you can give how, where to start. So start from 0 and give me, so 0 1 2 3, give me till 3 item. So I'll say 3. Now here you can see, so I'm starting from 0, 3 item. So you'll be asking 0 1 2 3, so 3 item is my 4. Why 4 is not included? So the point is, this is the starting point, then column, then this is the ending point. Okay, and the ending point, this is called as upper limit. So upper limit is excluded in the output. So if you are saying 0 to 3, so this is 0 to 3, but upper limit excluded, so in the output you will be getting only 1 to 3 item. This item, it's not necessarily that you start from 0. I can start from 4, then I can proceed to 6. So these are the 2 items which will come. 6 item is excluded. You can give a list, you can create a list like this, and you can create sub list like this.